If you're a investor, a developer, or want to get involved with property development, construction, design and build, this video is for you. Now, if you haven't seen the progress on this house, it's an 18-week challenge where we're going to turn this house from a old dilapidated property into a brand new bespoke home. In the last video there was a slight hurdle that we faced with the sunken kitchen, and in this video I'm going to share how we overcame that. So it's going to be full of knowledge and golden gems and wisdom for you to learn exactly how we do it. Let's take a look. So here you can see clearly there's a step going down from this room into the new kitchen that's being created. They're currently putting the concrete down, and beneath the concrete, that blue sheet is DPC, which allows for a damp-proof course. Now, prior to this, there's a lot that needs to be done, so let me show you what's underneath. So as part of taking this ground down, we've got a base here which is got these stones and pebbles, and what we're doing now is we're putting this special building sand just to avoid the stones hitting the membrane. So let me just show you the membrane. So this is the membrane, and this will go on top of this sand. And just so you know, in order for the membrane not to get penetrated, that's why the sand is actually being put on top. So that just ensures quality for the end users that eventually move into this house, and we always try and deliver a good quality home. That will all then get packed by this machine here, which flattens everything out, makes it smooth, and it's all finished to a really nice standard. And then we eventually are going to have a polished concrete floor here that will just give this room a really, really nice feel. So there's the first half, which with the barrows just coming through as a reception, stairs going up, and then this is the main entrance, which is going to be a pocket door that slides to the left and enters into this double reception room. All the electrics are now being worked on as part of the next stage, and things are going to start coming together very, very fast. So hopefully that gives you an idea of how it's going here, and I'm super happy. It couldn't be better. So it's taken an extra 4 days, but that's not going to detract from the 18-week challenge. So as you can see behind me, clearly the boys are working, and what I've agreed with the guys is that we're going to be, and I've actually agreed it with the neighbours as well, so they're going to allow us kindly to work over the bank holiday period as well, so that way we can catch up, and we're not losing on any of the time that we need for this 18-week project. So I'm under pressure and I've got to deliver, so that's what I'm going to do, and hopefully stay tuned and picking up some useful tips for from start to finish, 18 weeks to create the best bespoke home in London, and for you to learn how it's done. Take care, Monty Nawaz.